Hello students, in the previous video we have studied about reflection of light and the laws of reflection of light. In this video we are going to study about types of reflection, formation of image in a plane mirror and the definition of an image. Okay, so let's start our video with types of reflection. There are two types of reflection of light. The first one is called regular reflection of light. That is, in a regular reflection of light, the incoming light rays are parallel to each other, and after reflection, the reflected light rays are also parallel to each other. Such type of reflection of light is called regular reflection of light. While in a irregular reflection of light, the incoming light rays are parallel to each other, but after reflection they are reflected in different direction. Okay, such type of reflection of light is called irregular or diffuse reflection of light. Now let us understand regular reflection of light and irregular reflection of light with the help of a diagram. Let this is a plane mirror, or we can say that a shining surface. Here you can see that the incoming light rays are parallel to each other. Okay, and after reflection they are bounced back in such a way that the reflected light rays are also parallel to each other. Such type of reflection of light is called regular reflection of light. Now in another case we can see that there is a rough surface. Okay, and when the light here you can see that the incoming light rays are parallel to each other, but after reflection they are reflected back in different directions. Such type of reflection of light is called irregular reflection of light. Now we are going to understand formation of image in a plane mirror. Let M dash is a plane mirror and O is an object which stands in front of the plane mirror. So now we are going to draw an image for this object O. So from the definition of image, we know that when two or more reflected light rays actually meet or appears to meet at a point after reflection, then at the point of meeting an image is formed. So to draw the image of this object, we need at least two incoming light rays, and for those two incoming light rays we can draw two reflected light rays. Okay, so now we are going to take one light rays perpendicular to the plane mirror. Okay, from the laws of reflection we know that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. In this situation you can see that OA is an incident light ray which is perpendicular to the plane mirror. Here A is called point of incidence, and in this situation angle of incidence is 0 degree, as normal and incoming light rays both are parallel to each other. In this situation reflected light ray will goes back along OA. So here we have one reflected light rays AO. Now we are going to take one more incoming light rays, say OB. Okay, here in this situation B is the point of incidence. Now we are going to draw a normal at the point of incidence B. So from the laws of reflection of light we know that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Therefore this light ray will make an angle equal to I and reflected back along C. Here R equal to I. Now you can see that one reflected light ray AO goes in this direction, another reflected light ray BC goes in this direction. You can see that they are expanding, so these two reflected light rays cannot actually meet. So we are going to produce back these two light rays. When we produce back, they are seems to be meeting at this point. Okay, point I. So here we can say that the image of object O is I. Here you can see that these two light rays appears to meet. Here I is an virtual image. So we can say that the image formed in a plane mirror is virtual, erect, okay, and this image cannot be obtained on a screen. There are some more important point. The image formed in a plane mirror, the distance of object from the mirror is same is the distance of image from the mirror, that is OA is equal to AI. And one more thing is that the image formed in a plane mirror is laterally inverted. The terms lateral inversion means the right appears left or left appears right. That is, when we raise right hand standing in front of a plane mirror, in the image we can see that our image is standing our left hand. Okay, thank you.